Good morning friends, this is Ankur IAS channel and today we are practicing most important top quality environmental MCQs which are really important for upcoming prelims 2023. So, so if you are a UPSC aspirant, so don't miss this lecture because this is most beneficial from point of view of exam. सो यहाँ पे डेली एनवायरनमेंट के एमसीक्यू हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. अगर आपको इन सभी क्लासेस का स्केड्यूल जानना है तो नीचे दिए गए टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कीजिएगा. वहाँ पे आपको सभी क्लासेस का आने वाले शेड्यूल मिल जाएगा. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन दिस सेशन गाइज. वी विल प्रैक्टिस 15 एमसीक्यू टुडे and on daily basis we will practice these MCQs. इस month environment का कर रहे हैं. Now the first question on your screen, consider the following statements. 3 statement है दोस्तों. Ecology is the scientific study of animals and plants in relation to their environment and to each other. Second, ecology is one of the disciplines of environmental science which studies reciprocal relationship between organisms outside their environment. Statement 3, the community and the living environment together are referred to as an ecological system or ecosystem. Example, a pond with fish and plants. Correct statement आपको बताना है. Your options are 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 3 and D, 1, 2 and 3. You have 20 to 25 seconds to answer this question and you can give your answer in a live chat. So correct answer of this question is 1. So 2 and 3 statement जो है यहाँ पे incorrect है. So why 2 is incorrect? Because there is a reciprocal relationship between organism inside their environment, ना कि outside. And in statement 3, ecological system or ecosystem, it is the community and the non-living environment together. Living environment नहीं है. So that's why A is the right answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2, consider the following statements. First, 3 statement है आपके सामने. First is, biomes refers to a large regional or subcontinental ecosystem characterized by similarity in vegetation and climate. Statement 2, it is made up of many similar ecosystem. Statement 3, an ecosystem is much smaller than a biome which is enormous in size. आपको करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पूछा गया है. योर ऑप्शंस आर 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3 या फिर D none of D 1 2 and 3. That is all. Again you have 20 seconds to answer this question and you can give your answer in a live chat. So guys, give your answer fast. First of all, read the question carefully and then give your answers. So correct answer of this question D. So all the statements of above are correct. सभी statement जो है यहाँ पे correct है. You can read this explanation. Now these are the kinds of biome we have: rainforest, taiga, temperate deciduous forest, desert, tundra, grassland. So these all are the kinds of biomes. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Consider the following statements. Again you have 3 statements about biosphere. You have to give a correct answer. First is, the biosphere is relatively thin layer around the planet Earth where life exists. Statement 2, it is also referred to as a zone of life comprising of the atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Statement 3, the biosphere is characterized by continuous cycles of matter which continuously recycled for life to continue. Again you have options A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3 या फिर D 1 2 and 3. यू हैव 20 सेकेंड्स और आप लाइव चैट में इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं. सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या है इसका? डी. ऑल ऑफ द अबव आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. सभी दिए गए जो पर्याय है वो सभी के सभी क्या है? सही है. These are the biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Okay. Now, let's move to the fourth question. Consider the following statement. दो statement आपसे पूछे हैं, आपको correct statement जो है बताना है. First, abiotic component include the living components of the ecosystem that interact with the non-living components. They are the producers, consumers, and decomposers. Second, biotic components are non-living components that affect the distribution, number, metabolism, and behavior of organisms in an ecosystem. They are inorganic substances, dead organic matter, ecological factors. So correct statement कौन सा है? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2 या फिर D, none of the above. Again you have 20 seconds. आप दे सकते हैं, कमेंट बॉक्स में भी दे सकते हैं, लाइव चैट में भी आंसर दीजिएगा पहले. You had 20 seconds. So guys, give your answer fast. So right answer is D, because all are incorrect statements. सभी दिए गए जो भी स्टेटमेंट्स है वो इनकरेक्ट है, बिकॉज दे आर इंटरचेंज. फर्स्ट में बायोटिक आएगा, सेकंड में अबायोटिक आएगा. सो दोनों को क्या किया है? इंटरचेंज किया है. These are biotic and abiotic components of ecosystem. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Consider the following statements. इकोटोन के बारे में पूछा है, आपको करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताना है. इकोटोन is a transitional area of convergence between two similar ecosystems such as mangroves, which represent a transitional zone or a junction between terrestrial and marine ecosystem. Ecotons represent overlapping boundary regions or junctions where two major terrestrial or aquatic biomes meet. They may vary in sizes from being very narrow to quite wide. So correct statement कौन सा है? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2 या फिर D, none of the above. Again you have 20 seconds to answer this question. You can give your answer in a live chat box. So first read it quite carefully and then give your answer. So correct answer is B. 2 is correct, 1 is incorrect. So ecotone is a transitional area, absolutely correct, but it is an area of convergence between two diverse ecosystem, ना कि similar ecosystem. So that's why 1 is incorrect, second is absolutely right. So this is ecotone and it is a convergence of two differential ecosystem. Now let's move to the question number 6. Consider the following statements. Niche is basically the ecological or functional role of species in an ecosystem, especially with regards to food consumption. Second, habitat refers to the place and the type of environment where an organism normally lives. Statement 3, food niche includes the food resources that the species obtains from its environment. Again you have 4 options over here. First is 1 and 2, second 2 and 3, C 1 and 3 या फिर D none of या फिर D 1 2 and 3. सो आपको करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताना है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इसका डी होगा. सभी स्टेटमेंट जो है वो करेक्ट है. ऑल आर द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. You can read this explanation. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Consider the following statements. The energy flow in the ecosystem is unidirectional. That is, energy flows from consumer to the top producer. Statement 2. The energy trapped into an organism remain in it forever. It is neither passed to the next trophic level nor when the organism dies. Again, you have two statements here. Incorrect आपको बताना है. Your options are 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2 या फिर D none of the above. Again, you have 20 to 25 seconds to answer this question. First read it carefully and then give your answers. सो ऑल आर इनकरेक्ट. सभी के सभी दिए गए स्टेटमेंट क्या है यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट है, बिकॉज द एनर्जी फ्लो फ्रॉम प्रोड्यूसर टू टॉप कंज्यूमर्स, ना कि कंज्यूमर टू टॉप प्रोड्यूसर. ओके. एंड इन सेकेंड वन द एनर्जी ट्रैप डज नॉट रिमेन इट फॉर एवर. फॉर एवर नहीं रहता है. ओके. इट इज आइदर पास टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेवल और व्हेन द ऑर्गेनिज्म डाइज. सो ऑल आर इनकरेक्ट. Now let's move to the question number 8. Consider the following statements. Statement 1 यहाँ पे autotrophs are also known as the producer since they can produce their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Statement 2. Tertiary consumers feed largely on primary and secondary consumers and are generally autotrophs. आपको incorrect पूछा गया है. Your options are 1 only, 2 only, C 1 and 2 या फिर D none of the above. सो इसका आंसर होगा बी. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज टर्चरी कंज्यूमर्स आर कार्निवोरस, ना कि ऑटोट्रॉप्स. ऑटोट्रॉप्स, yes, they can produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So first is absolutely correct, but second is incorrect. So question is asking about incorrect and 2 is incorrect. So that's why the right answer is B. Producer to top consumers. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Consider the following statements. Grazing food chain starts with the green plants at the first trophic level and the green plants are utilized by the consumers as a part of their food. Second, in detritus food chain, the primary source of energy is living organic matter. Primary consumers are detrivorous, which include bacteria, fungi, protozoans, and these detritivores feed upon the detritus. So correct statements आपसे पूछा है A 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2 या फिर D none of the above. You have 20 seconds. You can give your answer in live chat box. So correct answer is A. That is 1 is correct. Second is incorrect because in detritus food chain they are primary source of energy is dead organic matter, ना कि living organic matter. Okay. So that's why 2 is incorrect. First is absolutely right. Now let's move to the question number 10. Consider the following statements. Food chain as an isolated relationship represents only one part of energy flow. This type of individual relationship in forms of food chain seldom occurs in an ecosystem. Statement 2. A food web demonstrates all the possible flow of energy as well as nutrients among the organisms within an ecosystem, unlike a food chain which runs only single pathway. Correct आपको पूछा गया है. Your options are 1 only, 2 only, C 1 and 2 या फिर D none of the above. Again, you have 20 to 25 seconds to answer this question. सो आंसर इज सी. ऑल आर द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. सभी दिए गए स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे सही है. यू कैन रीड द एक्सप्लेनेशन. Let's move to the next question. Question number 11. Consider the following statements. 3 statement आपके सामने है. An ecological pyramid is the graphical representation of trophic levels in terms of biomass, energy concentrated at a particular trophic level, number of organisms, etc. Statement 2. They are also known as the Iltonian pyramid, named after the Charles Ilton, who developed the concept of ecological pyramid. Statement 3. The horizontal bars in the pyramid signify the number of trophic level and primary producer from the base of pyramid, while top carnivore forms the tip. So again you have 4 options here: A1 and 2, 2 and 3, C1 and 3 या फिर D 1, 2 and 3. सो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आपको बताना है. आप लाइव चैट में इसका आंसर दे सकते हो. सो आंसर इज डी. सभी दिए गए स्टेटमेंट्स यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. सो ऑल आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई डी इज अ राइट आंसर. Now, let's move to the question number 12. Consider the following statements. Pyramid of numbers show the presence of total number of organisms of different species at each trophic level. Statement 2. Pyramid of biomass includes the total weight of the organic matter, that is biomass, at each trophic level. Statement 3. Pyramid of numbers does not give any idea of weight since it does not take into account the varying shape and sizes of the organisms. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स आपसे पूछा है 1 and 2, 2 and 3, C1 and 3 या फिर D1, 2 and 3. So correct answer is D. So all are correct statements. So that's why D is a right answer. Now, let's move to the question number 13. Consider the following statements. In the upright pyramid, the total weight of producer is larger than the total weight of the consumers. Statement 2. In case of the inverted pyramid, the total weight of the producer is smaller than the total weight of the primary or secondary consumers. So, which of the above is are incorrect? Either 1 only, 2 only, 1 and 2 या फिर D none of the above. So you can give your answer in a live chat. So D is the right answer. क्योंकि इनकरेक्ट पूछा है और कोई भी यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट नहीं है. सो ऑल आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. सो दैट्स व्हाई डी इज अ राइट आंसर. नाउ let's move to the question number 14. Consider the following statements. The pyramid of energy represents the total amount of energy present at each trophic level per unit area, per unit time, and energy is generally expressed in terms of KCL per meter square per day or KCL per meter square per year. Statement 2. The pyramid of energy is always upright. Incorrect पूछा गया है. Your options are 1 only, 2 only, C 1 and 2 या फिर D none of the above. So D is the right answer. सभी स्टेटमेंट दिए गए सही है. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 and 2 आर बोथ करेक्ट वंस. क्योंकि इनकरेक्ट पूछा है इसलिए इसका राइट आंसर होगा डी. Now our final question for today, guys. Question number 15. It is the process of increase in the concentration of toxic elements within the body of particular organism. It is. ये कौन सी प्रोसेस है? फर्स्ट बायो एम्प्लीफिकेशन, बायोटॉक्सिफिकेशन, बायो एक्यूमुलेशन या फिर बायो मैग्निफिकेशन. So this is a simple definitions. If you have previously studied, you can give your answer easily. So इसका आंसर होगा C. It is a bioaccumulation, which is a process of increase in the concentration of toxic elements within the body of particular organism. So that's it guys for today. We practice 15 MCQ from environment. अगर आपको ये सेशन पसंद आया है तो लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा इस चैनल को और बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको हर क्लासेस का नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए जब भी हम लाइव आए या फिर प्रीमियर करें. So if you want to know the schedule of all the classes, then you have to join our Telegram channel, that is Ankur IAS. So over there you will get all the schedule of next classes. So we will meet on tomorrow. We will continue this environment series over here and we will daily practice 15 MCQs. So comment guys how you feel about this session so we can really design such more sessions for you. So these are really helpful for UPSC 2023 prelims. So thank you guys and we will meet today on tomorrow. Till then, thanks. Goodbye.